Hello dear students, welcome. My name is Ankit and I am from Jai Somnath English Medium School. Today we will learn about 9th standard English lesson. Lesson number 7, Packing, written by Jerome K. Jerome. In this chapter, the author is obsessed with packing and he says that he is the one who knows everything about the packing and they are going on a trip. That means he and his friend George as well as Harris. So author completes his packing, and when the turn of George and Harris comes, so how the mess they create, and at last how their packing is done and what humor is there, that we will be learning in this chapter. I said, now let's start the chapter. I said I had packed. I rather pride myself on my packing. So packing is one of those things that I feel that I have more about than any other person living. So here author is boasting about his qualities about packing. He said whenever I have to go out of station or for some work outside the city or the town, so he says that I am good at packing. I am the one who is really good at the packing and no other person is as good as me. So I am the one who is the best in terms of the packing the bags. Moreover, it surprised me myself sometimes that how many such things are there. So he says that it surprised me that how can I do such things. I impressed the fact upon George and Harris and told them they had better leave the whole matter entirely to me. So author told his friend George and Harris that don't worry, आप चिंता मत करो, I'll be the one who is helping out with the packing. मैं सब packing का देख लूँगा. Now naturally when author told George and Harris this thing, they took it in a different way. They left the whole matter of packing with the author. Now author was what? He was in the impression that he will be guiding George and Harris in terms of packing and he would be giving instruction. ये ऐसे पैक करो, no, do that thing, no, that stuff should be packed on left side or right side. But they clearly misunderstood him and he said that they both gave him the work of packing and they both relaxed and just sat on the chair. They fell into the suggestion with the readiness, had something uncanny about it. Uncanny means strange and weird. George spared himself over the easy chair and Harris cocked his leg on a table. So George, what happened is that George and Harris thought that चलो author is packing ना, let him do. बोले वो कर ही रहा है तो हम क्यों करें, हम आराम से बैठते हैं. तो George what he did, he spread himself on the easy chair, आराम से कुर्सी पे बैठा था, बराबर, the easy chair when it moves. And Harris cocked his legs on a table, यानी दोनों पैर ऊपर टेबल के ऊपर चढ़ा के बैठ गया वो आराम से कुर्सी पर. This was hardly what I intended. Author is saying that this was not my intention. What I meant, of course, was that I should boss and that George and Harry should potter about under my direction. The author is saying that these two people, that George and Harris, have completely misunderstood me. I didn't intend to say that whole packing business of my stuff. So author is telling that I did not tell them that I will completely do all the packing. Okay, they misunderstood me and that's why I wanted that I should give them the direction and they should pack with themselves. I pushing them aside every now and then. Oh, you, here, let me do it. So there are you, the simple enough. So author wanted to show them the direction and to guide them or to boss them how the packing stuff should be done. But here the whole matter of packing is entrusted with the author. That taking it in a way that it irritated me. There is nothing does irritate me more than seeing other people sitting around when I am doing the work. So author here is telling that the most irritating stuff, what is there is that I have to do the work and other people sit around me and they are just relaxing and giving the direction and are not doing anything but simply sitting. I lived with a man once who used to make me mad that way. So author is recalling that stuff, that he used to live with one person who used to mess around with in the room, and all the stuff of the cleaning has to be entrusted with the author. So he said it did not really good to look at me and messing about. So that person who used to live with author said that he would like to mess around and he would love to see the author the cleaning business. And what he would just roll down onto the sofa, he would just make himself comfortable on the sofa and watch around that author is doing all the cleaning. However, I did not say anything but started that packing. It seems to be longer business that I had thought about. Now author did not say any word, but he started doing his packing stuff, and this took a long hours than he thought about. कभी कभी ऐसा हो जाता है कि when we are going out of station, so our mother starts to pack some days earlier. उनको पता होता है क्या लेना है क्या नहीं लेना है. Why or both our father and mother, they too start packing. If you want to go out of station for some marriage or for some trip or for meeting somebody who is living out of station. So what happens is that during that part, they know what to keep, what not to keep, in which season we are going, so accordingly they pack our clothes. But this thing you will see few days back before going. However, this stuff, I did not say anything, but it took some longer time. But I got back finished at last. I sat on it and strapped it. So it took some long hours for packing, and at last when everything was finished, author sat on the suitcase and strapped it. Sometimes it happens that it is more filled up with the clothes, so it could not close down. So author sat on that bag and he strapped it, means closed it. Aren't you looking to put your boots in? And I look around and find them forgotten, my boots to keep inside. So Harris told, after author has completed finishing his packing stuff, Harris is telling that you forgot to put your boots in. You are not putting in. So author was looking, oh, what I have done? I forgot to put my boots in. And author was irritated with that stuff. ऑथर बोलते हैं यार जब मैं पैकिंग कर रहा था तब तो आपने कुछ बोला नहीं, अब जब पैकिंग हो चुका है तो फिर आप बोलते हो कि मैंने अपने जूते रखे ही नहीं. बरोबर. And I look around and I found that I have forgotten them. That's just like Harris. He could not have said a word until I got back shut and strapped, of course. And George laughed. One of those irritating, senseless laughs was his. They do make me wild. So author is quite angry with Harris first of all, because he should have told before the author has completed the packing. And George laughed at this. Okay, and by these things, author is more irritated. I opened the bag and packed the boots in. And then just I was going to close it, a horrible idea occurred to me. So author put his boots and finished the packing. Now when he was going to close the suitcase, he had the idea, that means he was reminded of the fact that whether he has put his toothbrush or not. I don't know it is, but I never do know whether I have packed my toothbrush. So author was always having a nightmare that he did not put the toothbrush inside while he was going on a trip. My toothbrush is a thing that haunts me when I am traveling. So author is saying that he is always having the notion that he has forgotten his toothbrush, and this thing always comes to his mind when he is traveling. I dream that I haven't packed it and wake up in the cold perspiration and get out of the bed and hunt for it. So author is saying that I am always having the dream that I have not packed my toothbrush and this thing haunts me. तो बोले मैं जग जाता हूँ. In the middle of the sleep he woke up and he is having the perspiration. वो पसीना पसीना हो जाते हैं. And what he do? He start searching for the toothbrush. And in the morning I pack it before I have used it and have to unpack again to get it. And it is always the last thing I turn out of the bag. So he is saying that he take out the toothbrush without using it, he put it inside. Then what happens is that then again he take out, and this thing is the last thing that he put inside the bag. What? The toothbrush. Then I repack it and forget it, and have to rush upstairs. At the last moment, carry it to the railway station, wrapped it up on the pocket handkerchief. So he's saying that every time what I do, I forgot it. Okay, even if I put into inside the suitcase, I did not remember I have put or not. So what and I have to rush back again, take the toothbrush, and then I have to carry to the station, wrapped it in my handkerchief. Of course, I had to turn every mortal thing out of them. I could not find it. I rummaged the things up into so much state. What is rummaged? Rummaged means search in a hurry. So they were searching. Author was searching, where I have kept my toothbrush, where I have kept my toothbrush, and he was doing the stuff. It must have been created. It must have been before the world was created, when chaos regained. So thing is that this thing is a weird, and he said that this must have been created when the world was created, that this thing is remaining to create and this thing is remaining to boost around. Of course, I found George and Harry's 18 times over, but I could not find my own. So author is saying that when I am trying to search my toothbrush, I found George and Harry's toothbrush every now and then, but I cannot find myself. I put the things back one and one, and then I found it inside the boot. So author is telling that at last I have found my toothbrush, and I have put it inside which I have put inside the boot, and I have repacked it again nicely. When I finished, George asked if soap was in. Now at that time Harris remembered author that whether he has put his boots inside. Now George is giving him the idea that whether he has put his soap or not. So after author has finished the packing second time, so author is saying that I don't care whether soap is put or not. I slammed the bag shut and strapped it. So he said that I have put the bag shut and locked it properly, and I have finished my packing at 10. Okay, at 10 and 5. At 10, 5. So 5 minutes after 10, I have finished my packing. Then there remained the hampers. Hampers means was a large basket for carrying food. Now it was a time to put the hampers. That means it is a large basket for carrying food. Now from here the humor starts, but now it was a time of George and Harris to pack. Harris said that we should be wanting to start less than 12 hours time. He and George had to better do the rest, and I agreed and set down what they had to do. So Harris said that now it is less than 12 hours before we are going on a traveling, or we are going on a trip. So he said, let's start the stuff, packing stuff, because we need to get some rest also. They began in a light-hearted spirit, evidently intending to show me how to do. So now they began very nicely in a light-hearted spirit. What they was trying to show is that they wanted to show the author कि भाई पैकिंग ऐसे करते हैं, तुम्हारे जैसा नहीं ये रह गया ये रह गया ये रह गया, वापस पैकिंग किया, वापस से सूटकेस खोली, वापस से स्टफ रख दिए, ऐसा नहीं. Author was sitting on the table and he was enjoying the scene, what was to be created. Next part. I made no comment. I only waited. Author said that मैं तो शांति से बैठा था. I didn't do anything. I was just sitting around and watching them. With the expectation of George and Harris is the worst packer in this world. I looked at the piles of plates and the cups and the kettles and the bottles and the jars and the pies and the stoves and the cakes and tomatoes and felt that this too would think. तो वहाँ पे excuse me, वहाँ पे बहुत सारे स्टफ रखे थे. एक तो piles of plates, cups, kettles, bottles, jars of jams, pies, stuff. Pies are means they are cake only. Stoves, cakes, tomatoes. Now author is saying that now it will be a very happy scene for me to look around whether these people are how they pack it. बोले ऑथर बोलती अब मज़ा आएगा, अब मैं देखता हूँ ये लोग ये सब चीज़ें पैकिंग कैसे करते हैं. बिकॉज क्लोथ्स पैक करना तो बहुत मुश्किल चीज़ नहीं है, बट टू पैक द फूड वी हैव सीन अवर मदर और our grandmother when we are traveling around, वो कैसे हर एक चीज छोटा छोटा पैक करते हैं, इवन द व्हाट का पिकल अचार होता है वो भी छोटे से डब्बे में पैक करती है, so that it would not get leak, the oil may not come out, and we pack it the food for 2-3 days if you are going on a journey. So 2-3 days for that, how the mother packs, it is also one kind of a art only. Okay, so like that author is saying that अब ये लोग खाना कैसे पैक करते हैं, now it is a time for fun for him. They started with the breaking of cup. अब यहाँ पे शगुन हो गया उनका. They started packing of the hampers with breaking cup. That was the first thing they did. They did that just to show you that what they could do and get you interested. So now author is saying that now this stuff might get more interesting because शुरुआत ही इतनी जबरदस्त हुई है. They started with the breaking of cup. And then it was George's turn. He trod on the butter. So now it was turn of the George. What he did was, first of all, Harry packed the strawberry jam on the top of the tomato and squashed it. They had to pick out the tomato with the teaspoon. So Harry ने पहले क्या किया, Harry ने वो strawberry jam की बॉटल tomatoes पे रख दी. Now it's a simple thing that you don't put the heavy stuff on the light stuff. यानी whenever we are going with our mother or father for getting the vegetables or any stuff, तो पहले tomatoes नहीं खरीदेंगे वो लोग, पहले पोटैटोज लेंगे, उसके ऊपर टोमेटोज रखते हैं. अगर पहले टोमेटोज रख दिया बाद में पोटैटोज उसके ऊपर हो जाए तो वो तो पिचक ही जाएंगे टोमेटोज. सो लाइक दैट व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट he put the heavy jar of the strawberry jam on the tomatoes. So उसके ऊपर टोमेटो जार रख दी तो the strawberry jar tomatoes के ऊपर रख दी तो टोमेटो get squashed. तो वो स्पून से उन्होंने साफ किया. Now it was the time of George. George ने क्या किया कि he put his leg, he trod on the butter. Butter के ऊपर उसका पैर लग गया. I didn't say anything, but I came over and sat on the edge of the table and watched it. Now author को बहुत मजा आ रही थी. He said that I did not say anything or I did not complain about anything. I just sat on the table and I was enjoying this scenario. It irritated them more than anything. I could have said I felt that. It made them more nervous and excited, and they stepped on the things, put things beside them, and then could not find them when they wanted them. They packed the pies on the bottom and put heavy and smashed the pie. So they used to put the stuff at one place, they used to forget at the other. Author said that I felt it, that I also would give them the advice how to pack it, but I don't want to give and let them pack all the stuff. तो वो लोग क्या करते थे, एक चीज यहाँ रखते थे, एक चीज भूल जाते थे, वापस से वो चीज वहां ढूंढने लगते थे, वापस वो वही चीज वो वापस लेके अंदर रखते थे. The main thing what they did, that they put the heavy things on the pie. Now pies are the soft, the cakes. So what happened? The pies got squashed, वो दब गया. Okay, and it smashed it. They upset the salt all over. As for the butter, so what they do, now they upset the salt. यानी नमक था वो उनसे गिर गया यहाँ पर. I never saw two men do more than 1 or 2 pence worth of butter in my whole life. So he said that I have never seen men doing the hard work for the butter to put in. After George had get off his slipper, they tried to put in a kitli, but it would not go. So after George took it from the slipper, उसके slipper पे butter लग गया था. They tried to put it in the kitli, but it would not go. They did scrape it out and put it down the chairs, and Harry sat on it. So they somehow took it from the kitli, they could not put inside, and they put it on the chair. So जैसे वो chair पे रखा, Harry वो butter पे बैठ गया. And the butter उसके पीछे लग गया. So what happened? The butter stuck on Harry's back. They went on to looking for it all over the room. तो वो देखते हैं कि where is butter, where is butter, where is butter. यहाँ रखा था, where is butter, where is butter. They were doing like that. I take my oath. I put it down on the chair, said George, staring at the empty seat. तो जॉर्ज सेड दैट आई टेक द ओथ. बोले कसम से यहाँ बटर रखा था, कहाँ गया? आई पुट इट ऑन द चेयर. आई टेक द ओथ दैट आई पुट डाउन ऑन द चेयर, बट वेयर माइट बी द बटर? Then they started around the room again looking for it. Then they met again in the center and stared at one another. Again they are going around the room. Kahan rakha, kahan rakha, kahan rakha. It happens sometimes when you are carrying. Father does this sometimes. He is having the keys of his bike or car and he searches around the whole house. पर फिर जो उनको याद आता है, oh, वो तो मेरे जेब में ही थी. Like that. What happened is that the George and Harris are doing roaming in the room. They are saying that, oh, I have put here, I have put here, I have put here. Again they come in the center and they say, why? Where is the butter? I have put here only. Most extraordinary thing I have ever heard of. So mysterious. So George is telling that this is the most extraordinary thing. Where the butter gone away? Harry said that, yeah, I agree with you. So mysterious. Then George turned around the back of Harris and saw it. And George, what he did, he got a back on the Harris and he said, where here it is all the time. He exclaimed indignantly. That means he said, oh, here it is. Where? Stand still. George says, stand still. Flying after him, and they got it off and packed it in the teapot. So at last the butter was taken from the back of Harris and it was put into the teapot. Now this Mount Morency, here is a dog, and he is a dog of the author. Was in it all, of course. Mount Morency's ambition in the life is to get in the way and sworn at. If he can squeam in anywhere where he is particularly is not wanted, तो वो ऐसी जगह पे पहले जाता था जहाँ उसकी कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं थी. And he would get into the way of other people. वो हमेशा दूसरों के वे में या फिर बीच में आ जाता था. And his main intention in the life was that to make the people mad and to create nuisance. Okay, and then he feels his day has not been wasted. यानी जब तक वो डांट खा नहीं ले या फिर दूसरों के वे में ना आ जाए या फिर उसको कोई ऐसे हड़दूत ना कर दे, तब तक उसका दिन पूरा नहीं होता था. Who? Mount Morency. Mount Morency, who was a dog of author. To get somebody to stumble over him, curse him steadily for an hour. Okay, when he was succeeded in accomplish this, he considered become quite unbearable. He considered this as a pride when he is teasing someone or getting along in the way of someone or someone tumbles upon him और उसको कोई बोले या फिर डांटे या उसको हड़दूत करे, ओके, वो डॉग को, तो उसको तब तक वो उसको अच्छा नहीं लगता था. If somebody does that thing, then he thinks that he is having the pride. He came and sat down on the things just when they were wanted to be packed. So when every mess was going around of the George and Harris, he came and sat down. Whenever Harris or George reached out on the hand for anything, it was his cold, damp nose they wanted. So बार बार वो क्या करता था, वो ऐसे खड़ा हो गया था. तो जॉर्ज जैसे एक बॉक्स में कुछ चीज बास्केट में रख रहा है तो बार बार उसकी नाक आ जाती थी. माउंट मोरेंसी. He put his leg into the jam and he worried the teaspoons and he pretended that lemons were red and got into the hamper and killed it. So what he was doing, that he put his leg into the jam, okay, and he thinks that these lemons were like rats and he want to chase them and kill them. Before Harris could land him with the frying pan, so what happened is that Harris said that get away. Okay, don't come in the way of our packing. Harry said, I encouraged him. I did not encourage him. So Harris is complaining that to the author that because of you this dog has become out of control and he is coming and messing around. I gave the point which was valid, that I said that I didn't encourage him. It was his own way. A dog like that doesn't want any encouragement. It is his natural, original sin that is born in him that makes him to do like that. बोले वो अपने जैसा ही है, मैं उसको कुछ सिखाता नहीं हूँ, वो अपने आप ही ऐसे करता है. I didn't teach him this kind of a stuff. He himself only do that thing. At last the packing was completed at 12:50. Harris sat on the big hamper and said he hoped nothing would be broken. And George said that if anything was broken, then it was broken. So at last at 12:50, they all completed the packing. And Harris sat down at 8. बोले और जॉर्ज ने बोला अगर कुछ टूटा है तो पहले से ही टूटा होगा, हमने नहीं तोड़ा है. He also said that these things were make out their reflection of comforting them. These things were just reflection of comforting them, means just giving them their mind a good thought. He also said that he was ready for bed. We were all ready for bed. Today Harry was to be sleep with us that night. So we went upstairs. So Arthur, George and Harris, they were going for bed because they want to go for a trip next day. Okay, on that particular day, क्योंकि 12 तो बज गए थे, यानी they at that day in the morning only they have to start. We tossed for the bed. Harris had to sleep with me, he said. Do you prefer inside or outside, Jay? So Harris asked me, आप बेड के अंदर की टाइम सोओगे कि बेड के बाहर सोओगे? Harris told it was odd. I said that I would prefer inside the bed. So I told them you can sleep outside the bed, on the right side of the bed outside, and I will sleep inside the bed. Harry said it was odd. George said, what time shall I wake you fellows? Harry said 7. I said no, 6, because I wanted to write some letter. Now George is asking at what time I should wake you so that we would go on time. So author is telling that I want to wake up at 6. Harris is telling that 7. Author is telling that no, I want to wake up at 6 because I want to write some letters. Okay, we had one come at a conclusion that 6:30 in the morning you get up. Wake us at 6:30, George. But George made no answer. He was already sleeping. He had been asleep for some time. So we placed the bath where he could tumble into and getting out in the morning. यानी place the bath यानी जहाँ वो सो रहा था वहाँ पे ऑथर और हैरिस ने क्या किया? They put one bucket filled with the water. that जैसे ही वो अपनी साइड टर्न करे वो डायरेक्ट उस बकेट के पानी में उसका मुंह जाएगा and he would get up early and wake us them also. And then Arthur and Harris also went to bed. So in this lesson we have learned about that how such a simple thing of a packing can become a humor, and author Jerome Kepler Jerome has written this extract from the 3 Men on a Boat. Okay, thank you.